Sorting words with different letter lengths. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this video, we will be diving into the topic of sorting words alphabetically, specifically focusing on sorting words with different letter lengths. Sorting words alphabetically is an essential skill that can help you improve your vocabulary and communication in English. So, let's get started. Before we dive into sorting words with different letter lengths, let's quickly review the concept of alphabetical order. Alphabetical order is the arrangement of words or letters based on the order of the letters in the English alphabet. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters, from A to Z. When sorting words alphabetically, we start by comparing the first letters of the words. If the first letters are the same, we move on to comparing the second letters, and so on. This process continues until we find a point where the letters differ, and the word with the earlier letter comes first. Sorting words with the same letter length is relatively straightforward. We compare the first letters of the words and arrange them based on alphabetical order. If the first letters are the same, we move on to the second letters and continue the process until we reach a point where the letters differ. For example, let's consider the words cat, dog, and man. Since all these words have 3 letters, we compare the first letters. Cat starts with C, dog starts with D, and man starts with M. So, the order would be cat, dog, and man. Sorting words with different letter lengths requires a slightly different approach. In this case, we need to consider the length of the words and prioritize sorting based on length before considering alphabetical order. Let's take the words cat, banana, and elephant as an example. Cat has 3 letters, banana has 6 letters, and elephant has 8 letters. When sorting these words, we first arrange them based on their length. Cat, banana, elephant. Next, within each group of words with the same length, we apply alphabetical order. So, in the 3-letter group, cat remains as it is. In the 6-letter group, we compare the first letters, and since banana starts with B, it comes before elephant, which starts with E. Therefore, the final sorted order is cat, banana, elephant. Congratulations! You have learned how to sort words with different letter lengths in alphabetical order. Remember to consider the length of the words first and then apply alphabetical order within each group. Sorting words alphabetically is a valuable skill that will enhance your English language proficiency and make your communication more effective. Keep practicing and exploring the English language. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Good luck with your English language learning journey.